Good morning everyone. I hope all of you are fine at your home. Today we are going to sing a rhyme, Ding Dong Bell. Okay, so kids, sing with me. Okay, ding dong bell, pussy's in the well. Who put her in? Little Tommy Thin. Who pulled her out? Little Tommy Stout. What a naughty boy was that to tie to drown poor pussycat. Okay, so sing once again. Ding dong bell, pussy's in the well. Who put her in? Little Tommy Tin. Who pulled her out? Little Tommy Stout. What a naughty boy was that to try to drown poor pussycat. Okay, so all of you don't forget to practice at your home. Okay, thank you.